Hi guys, I'm Young. Last week I bought and received the Mavic Air. And last weekend I had the pleasure of spending time with Mavic Air. And these are 5 reasons why I fell in love with Mavic Air instantly.
Reaching 2.9 kilometers. Okay, I'm getting another remote controller signal weak sign. Oh, no signal. It says signal lost at 2.926 kilometers.
Go home.
Okay, it came home at just past 2.9 kilometers.
So Mavic Air retained what I loved about Spark, but actually improved it. The small size of Spark was travel friendly, but look at Mavic Air with the foldable design. It's even more travel friendlier. See? It's smaller. Not only were DJI smart about the design of Mavic Air, but RC as well. With its detachable control stick, it doesn't have anything that could be damaged. With Spark, I actually went and bought this protector. And talking about the RC, I love how it came with OTC cable. So connecting with mobile phone is instant. The whole setup is really fast for you to start flying. And because of the cable, if I didn't update the drone firmware, then mobile phone is still connected to mobile phone network provider. So you can download and update at the same time, which Spark couldn't do, so it was a little bit annoying.
Yes. Active track, so try to run. So it's actually coming to the side of me, which is great. Okay, let me go. Let me run now. Yes. Okay, so A-Pass has been enabled. Wow, so did you see? It went It actually curved. So let's try again. Record.
Low battery warning.
Okay, I think I can try one more time. Oh, shut up. So now it has gone up.
I'll be traveling a lot more with Mavic Air. And if you guys want to see those 4K beautiful travel video with Mavic Air and some lessons that I learned along the way, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.